Alright, so I'm having contact issues here. As you see, same shit. 2003 Escalade, common problem. Watched a video on it and it said to get some of this contact cleaner. So we're gonna test it out. See if the video was right. Alright, dry that a little bit. Give it some little cranks. Wow. One spray fixed it. So there you go, guys. No need to go sit there and pay all that money to try to get all this taken out and clean the contacts and all that. Just one good spray. Boom. It's fixed. Go ahead and slap your knob back on. You're good to go.